I thank the observer from the Volleyball Federation of India, Mr. Dr. Praveen Singh. I thank Santosh Bandodkar, the elect secretary, Mr. Dikambar Sheth, the treasurer, and I thank each and every member who has been elected, and I congratulate them for being part and parcel of this Goa Volleyball Association. We, the club members, had this election because the association that was running Goa was in a defunct state, and there was no events that was taking place. There was no league, there were no tournaments, there was no membership, and most of all, there was no election. And it was run by a president for almost 3 decades. As the president of the new committee, with the help of my secretary, treasurer, and all other elect members, I assure you that there will be some action, there will be some events that had been not held for all these years. Most of all, we have intentions to begin a league between all the clubs so that volleyball can develop again, like how Mr. Jovito Lopez said, that it was in par with football, but today it is nowhere heard of. So we would like to bring up the Volleyball Association and develop some activities. Mr. Ravi Naik, Michael Fernandez, Francisco Araujo, General Secretary Santosh Bandodkar, Joint Secretary Olaf Fernandez, Treasurer Dikambar Sheth, Executive Members Sushant Dargadkar, Michael Rodrigues, Shankar Kalangutkar, Selvin Botello, Ankush Naik. Members nominated by the President: Sham Sundar Tari and Pachali Gonsalves. Chairman of Referees Board, Mr. Shankar Kalangutkar, and State Coach, Mr. Arun Sheth. This particular meeting is called purely by all the clubs that are affiliated to the Goa Volleyball Association. We have called the club of Mr. Arvind Suarez as well to attend this meeting, because we found that the majority members wanted a change and wanted that activities of this association be carried on. So they have put me forward as president of the Crown Club. They put me forward to execute this meeting, and we are happy. We had a very good response, and we smoothly conducted this election. We have this observer, Mr. Dr. Singh from Goa Federation, Goa Volleyball Federation. We have invited Volleyball Federation of India. We have invited Sports Authority of Goa, and we have invited Olympic Association in an official letters to come as observers for this meeting, because we believe that an association in Goa The clubs is a backbone to this association, and the clubs can do anything they want in a general body rather than one man or two people doing something.